weekend review or the weekend that was.
One bag of gold medal pan me now.
Yep, that's me. My name is Rome, and this is the Fourth Official. Let's go.
Wagwan people, this is your boy Rome. This is the Fourth Official. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get after it. The first thing we're going to talk about is Liverpool, bro. And they smashed the crap out of Wolves, man. And you know stuff was going to go down when Connor Cody come out before the game talking about, oh, I'm a lifetime Liverpool fan. And then gave Mohamed Salah the goal, blood. I don't know, it's crazy. This man is a double agent, bro. 007 FC, bro. Some James Bond thing, brother. Swear. And then next let's talk about the London derby, bro. The North London derby between Tottenham and Arsenal. And I tell you right now, I swear, Jose Mourinho learned how to play football, how to coach football in Jamaica. Yeah. He learned how to coach football in Jamaica by driving a JUTC bus and just parking the bus, bro. Straight. I can just envision what happened in that North London derby right now. It's like Jose Mourinho is the bus driver and Heung-Min Son and Hurricane are the conductor, right? And these men pull up in London at the bus stop where Arsenal is sitting here waiting for a ride. And Arsenal was like, yes, where are you guys going? Jose Mourinho, we're going to the top of the table. Arsenal like, okay, I'd like to come. What's the bus fare? Heung-Min Son and Kane be like, 3 points, bro. And nothing but Tottenham just take Arsenal 3 points and leave them at the bus station, bro. Jose Mourinho has perfected the art of parking the bus. And if you know anything about driving in Jamaica, when you see a Jamaica JUTC bus driving, you know you need to get out of the way. And while we're on the subject of Arsenal, you're playing against a team who you know that is going to sit back and let you play. And you know for a fact that you cannot score a goal. Yet still you take the bait and start playing as if you're Barcelona, trying to break down Tottenham. Arsenal scored 10 goals all season, bro. 10 goals all season. To put that in perspective for you, Heung-Min Son has 10 goals in the Prem this season. And Arsenal is still trying to break down Tottenham, bro. And while we're on the topic of Arsenal, people, let's talk about Hector Bellerin. The very first thing they teach you as a right back, left back, growing up as a kid, is how to take a throw-in, bro. And Hector Bellerin cannot take a throw-in to save his life. Hector Bellerin has been playing at Arsenal for almost 10 years now or maybe more. So to put that in perspective, Bellerin has been playing for Arsenal longer than RB Leipzig has been a football club. And the man still cannot take a foul throw, son. It doesn't make sense. But Arsenal fans, I know what the problem is. Bellerin is a muddler, right? So if Hector Bellerin is a muddler, and the worst thing that could happen to a muddler is to be caught with your shirt untucked. Hector Bellerin goes up for a throw. His hand has to go behind the back of his head. That motion alone, his shirt becomes untucked. What happens after that? Man is uncomfortable. He can't play. So Arsenal, you have 2 options. Either make somebody else take the throw or don't play Bellerin. Simple maths. And I know we spoke about this over the weekend, but we're going to have to talk it again because it's too funny, bro. So let's take a second and I'm going to remind you of who the most prolific defensive striker is in this league. Roll the tape. Now we get into the meat of the matter, bro. Manchester United, Paul Pogba, and Mino Wasteman Riola, bro. Now, Mino Riola came out today talking crap about Manchester United and Paul Pogba's story is over. Don't you think this is kind of convenient for Mino Riola to be coming out 2 days after Paul Pogba had a half-decent game for Manchester United where he scored a sweet goal? And I say half-decent because guess what? Paul Pogba played 90 minutes but only showed up for 45, bro. And yet still Mino Riola is coming out 2 days after saying, oh, the relationship between Paul Pogba and Manchester United is over. You know what this is like, bro? It's like you getting a DM from your ex-girlfriend 2 hours after you post a picture with you and your new girlfriend, bro. You know what the reply should be for Manchester United? Just like the reply to be to your ex-girlfriend? Send her a message back with the location of the nearest cliff for her to take a dive, bro. Because Mino Riola, as far as I'm concerned, as a Manchester United fan, can take a royal fuck off. And Paul Pogba, don't think for a second that you are without blame in this, you know. Because number one, what your agent is trying to do is to build your profile so when it's time come for you to leave, you can get up and go with that, and he can get a nice signing on bonus, which is well within his right. Because he's your agent, he's trying to look out for you. If you want to leave, that's fine. But don't drag the team in the mud, bro. The team that you're supposedly supporting as a kid, your current employers, you're gonna drag them in the mud because Mino wants a payday. He did it with Zlatan. He's trying to do it with Haaland. Any player of any sort of recognition that Mino Riola represents, he always tries to get a payday. Well, here's what I think Manchester United should do. If Pogba don't come out today or tomorrow and renounce what Mino Riola has done, don't renew his contract. Don't play him either. And don't sell him in the summer. Yeah, Mesut Ozil Bumbleclad. Straight. Have him sit and play with the under 23's blood until his contract run out. And then let's see who's going to get a signing on bonus. Well, folks, thank you so much for watching. This has been the fourth official, a weekend review. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. Manners.